just wanna look good for you, good for you. Uh-oh, I just wanna look good for you, good for you.
Hi guys, so today I will be showing 2 of my personal Hair VIVI wig designs. So of course I am starting by braiding the model's hair. And with this wig cap, I wanted to make sure that it matched your skin tone, so I'm adding a little makeup. So let me start off by giving a little bit of specifics with the Hair VIVI wigs. They come at a 150% density, and they also come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so you can also just throw the wig on without having to customize it. They also give options to choose your wig cap size, small, medium, or large, which I think is very helpful, and you will be able to wear your wigs, like I said, without having to do much to them. To the right, I am placing the wig slightly behind her hairline because she has a lower hairline and basically a small forehead, and we just wanted to leave out her natural edges. So I wanted to show you guys here how well the hair presses out bone straight. And here I wanted to show you guys how natural the parting is. Both wigs can be purchased at the link below, and you will receive them and they will be colored to these specific colors.